What I do want to do in this video is actually just show you how to demonstrate smartphone, the phone integration in Podio. Phone integration is a new thing that's come to Podio. We partnered with a company in Romania to make this product, smartphone. It is a fully featured VoIP phone system based on the Twilio platform that completely integrates into Podio. It is the only fully integrated Podio phone on the market. And it is incredibly powerful, particularly if you've got people who have multiple offices, people working from home or remotely. They can all log their calls directly into Podio using our phone system. And that, from a Podio communication tracking, is amazing. So just to show you how it works, you're going to need to use Google Chrome to demonstrate this. That's the best way because you're going to need to go to the Google Chrome extensions and find our smartphone extension. That will convert the phone numbers in Podio into clickable ones for smartphone. As you can see here, here's my CRM record, and these are my numbers. So I'm just going to quickly call my mobile, and it's going to open up, and it is going to show you all the information around who's being called. It's an outgoing call. It's this phone number. My phone is now ringing, and I can choose to answer it, which I will, and I'll mute myself. So now I'm on a call. All the information is here. You can click directly to get to that profile again by clicking View in Podio. I understand everything that's being used, all the numbers, who I am, the company, the photo if they've got it. I can also take notes. So I'll click here and say these are call notes. And when I'm done, I hang up and I choose how to finalize the call. Now these are completely customizable, so you need to tell the people you're demonstrating it that they can have whatever answers they want, whatever options they want, and they can you can tell them you can build automations on the back of it. So for instance, if a call is finalized and send lead to next stage is picked, they can have a system that is designed to automate steps after that without them doing anything. In this case, I'll just click answered. Back into Podio. You see a brand new call has been logged. Here it is right here. I can also go into my communications app, which is where it is. Everything is kept. And in the communications app, a brand new call will have been logged to Jordan Fleming. It's just low. Right there it is. So immediately, that call that I made, it immediately logged the call. It logged it to the correct person, date and timestamp. The numbers are logged. The fact that it's outgoing or incoming text or outgoing text is logged. The fact that the status I chose is logged. The duration is logged. The call owner, which is the person in the organization that makes or receives the call, is automatically logged. So you can run reports on, in this week, this person did this many with this average time, etc. The call notes that I took are here. I didn't spell it right. And the call recording, if you choose to record the calls, are there. All of that logged 100% automatically in Podio. Now here's what an incoming call looks like. So I'm just going to quickly have one of my colleagues call me and see here, the phone's there, and it's going to start ringing. And here it is, it started to ring. I can see that an incoming call on my Polish demo phone, it's from Sandra, who works for me, and she's calling. Now I can choose to either answer or decline it. In this case, I have answered it, and I'm on the call. I can choose to take notes. Again, I can also choose to transfer it to any of my other people in my organization if I want to. So if I want to transfer it to Andrew, there you go. I start typing his name, and I can choose to transfer to Andrew or Nod or anyone else, and that will then send the call to them. When I hang up, I just choose again, finalize call. These are slightly different. Options. Again, they can inbound and outbound can be completely customized. And then in this case, I'm just going to say answered. Going back into my communications, if I open that up and refresh it, we will see that there's a brand new phone log that has been created under Sandra Yukovska. All the same information is logged. This time it's an incoming call, answered. I'm the person to answer it. 40 seconds. Here are the notes, and there's the recording. So this is a fully featured phone system that completely integrates into Podio. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add you into smartphone. So you can see here I'm in smartphone, and I'm going to add each of you as a user, and we're going to assign you a couple numbers to use as demos. Um, and you will get a message to log into this in Podio. You will get a message on how to log in, and you can then demonstrate the phone uh, as much as you want. What I find the best way to demonstrate it is if you're on a call with someone, get them to give you their cell phone, make them a contact in the system, and call them. Then they can see a phone call log directly to them. Please do bear in mind this is a live phone system, and that means live charges. If you make a call for an hour, we are going to be picking up the tab, my smartphone, which is Game Changers and SwiftPod. So we want you to demo it. We want to use it as much as you want, but please don't start just making random calls and using the phone system because it's easy and because it's free, because it's not free. But please do demonstrate it and use it. If you have any problems, let us know. We can add you to the demo, the workspace for the smartphone. Just to give you an idea, you can buy numbers in about 40 countries by a click of a button. Right now we've got one USA number that we'll set you on, but you can buy them in a bunch of different countries. You see here. So you can show them that with a click of a button. And you can also completely customize what happens when a number is called by editing a call flow. So you can set up full-featured IVRs. You can set up working hours where in working hours it does one thing or calls one person or group, and outside it calls another or sends to voicemail. It's a fully featured phone system, and it's a great thing to show clients to show what kind of communication tracking you can have in Podio. Final thing I just want to make a note of is you'll notice in the demo system we've got these communication history sections, and these are really critical ways of showing people just how much integration that we can have and how much visibility as a CRM we can have compared to other systems on the market. So if I wanted to choose to maybe send, if I quickly send a text message to Sandra. Oh, I haven't enabled text messaging on this this system. That figures, doesn't it? I don't think we've done it for the demo system. Let me just make sure we have. Oh, we have. Okay, so the US one, A1 has it. You see here right away. Sandra just got a text. Can you reply to that? Sandra just got a text. It's the outgoing SMS, and the message I sent was hi. Again, amazing communication tracking. We're also just about to release a SMS API webhook link so that we can completely customize SMS sending from anywhere in Podio. So that gives Podio partners an awesome ability to have that. So that's the smartphone. Any problems, any questions, just let us know.